In this video, I will show you shortcut to. In this video, I will show you a shortcut for restart PC or laptop. In this video, I will show you a shortcut for restart to Windows PC or laptop. So press Alt plus F4 on your keyboard. Press Alt plus F4. So you will see this screen. Now use the down page arrow on your keyboard. So you can see some options here like restart, shutdown, sleep, sign out, and switch user. So without using mouse, you can use your keyboard and press enter. To move tab and to change tab, click on tab on your keyboard like this. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe this channel.